Kom maar, Reisje. Goed zo. Push. Braaf. Terug. Terug. Braaf. Kom. Hallo? Kom. Kom. Braaf. Terug. Terug. Was het even filmen? Ja. Is de mond eruit? Draai maar aan. Goed zo, jongen. Braaf. Terug. Nou, top! Goed hè? Vorige keer weer heel erg bang, toen hoorde die niet meer. Echt? Ja. Nou, dit is zo goed om te oefenen. Ja. Goed zo. Dus zo rustig is hij. Ja. Hey Reis. Ja. Leuk nou? Ja. Hey Reis. Nou, kom maar. Goed zo. Missie geslaagd. Geslaagd. Nee. Oh. Wat is er, Gaia?
Ik ging net op een knop drukken van...
Wist ik dat hij dacht? Samen met mijn neus. Sally has something new. And we're going to try that.
Ik heb weer. Dan haal ik die eerst weer. Door. Is die doorheen? Ja.
Nou, probeer die. Yveske. Hey, goed zo. Braaf, hè. Goed zo. Nou, doe maar. Kom. Tie je rein. What are we going to do, Gaia?
We are going to learn Tyrijn how to be a horse for. Hoe zei dat je?
Nou?
To ride.
Yes.
Dan ren ik je nog allemaal met die cap op een kop.
Ja, lekker veilig. But we bring him to Tim. And Tim is going to, I think you call it, to break him. To ride him.
To learn to ride.
Yeah. And Yvonne had put also had put a saddle on him.
Yeah.
And she hang on him.
Yeah.
And then he was very
I
nice.
once sit on him.
You have sit on him. And
yeah.
he was very kindly when she did it.
Yeah. So I think he likes it.
Very, very nice horse.
Yeah. So we shall see. We bring him away. It's a beauty. There he is. Tie it on. Hey. Tie it on. We brought him here, and he can walk that way and to the other horses, and they going to train him here so we can ride on him. Yeah, tie it on. Bye.
Ja, voorbouken, de kade, naar je bon.
Goed zo.
Twee nieuwe banden. Hoi. Maar we raden nooit waar wij vinden. Nee. Yvonne is mij nou aan het filmen.
Hey Sally. Hey. Goed zo. Braaf. Doei.
Weet je wat ik hiervan kan zien?
Tije? Even wachten je dan. Tije, was dat even net wat?
Nee. Nee. Eigenlijk moest deze nou even beet houden.
Oké.
En ik op de video. Zo zie je hier woord neem.
Ja. Wat goed, Tije.
En ik is zo. Hey, wat grappig ja. Ik wil een worteltje eten.
Nou, mooi wel.
Ik heb een wortel. Als in middel. Kijk zo dit ik tegen. Dit is zitten. Zitten.
Rijntje en Sally. En Vera. Hey. Boukje, Belle en Blomke. En Rijsie. Hé jongen. Hey. And there's Yveske. Hey, Boukje. Yveske, Rijsie en Renske. En Joeke en Kiki. Kom maar. Wat ben ik nou aan het denken? Goed zo, kom maar. Hey. Kom maar. De bak is groter, ja? Doe maar. Oh, Sally. Mooi. Ja. Nog een keer? Joehoe. Soms helpt het. Rijsie en Yveske. There's more grass. He is so funny. Tada! Thank you, Bouke. And I gave water for tomorrow. There they have new water. And Bauke made this good again. And I gave new water. Now I fill this one again. Their new water. I need to fill this. And his. And today Rijntje and Sally were here. And here's a new bucket with water. And this stall is empty. So every time it's a bit strange. But Tyrone is somewhere else. Hey Daisy. I have to give hay again. Yveske. Hi. Sally. Rijntje. Hey. Boukje. Belle en Blomke. Hello? Ears, please? No. Yes. Hey, Blomke. Just wait a moment, you get new hay. Peach. Her mom, Daisy. I have to give Glendy her medicine, but I'm not sure it helps that good. But she is a bit happier. So maybe she is in pain. But maybe not. It's a very hard decision because she's very happy now. And yeah. I give her time, but I'm not sure yet. Hey, Spidey. I have to go to the water. Yes. Ready. Okay, with one hand it's not good. So you saw how I do it, and now I do the rest in the other one. So the ponies have water tomorrow. Yes, like that. I try. Yes. Ta-da! Thanks everyone for all the carrots. And Sally has also pellets. kijken. I think they are finished. Yes. Did you like it?